So it's early morning time, and number 5 on the list you don't get if you stay in bed late is mud mushroom. Aye, if the puppies let Toon get them. They've just broken one. Excellent start. Hey, hey. You only get these for a little while. Oh dear. They like to grow in the termite mounds. What are you like? Chill, chill, chill. Get them for at the most 2 months a year. The problem is the flies like them, so if you wait till they open out, 9 times out of 10 they've got maggots on them. So this is the termite mound. It's been here, oh, how long, Toon? Since we've known, isn't it? So even when Toon's mum and dad were here about 10 years ago, it was here then. Come back every year. A lot of people are up 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Get them. What are they? How much are they in the?
200 baht a kg.
Oh. Mo. Mo. Whatever. They love this wet season. It's almost like a steam sometimes that you can see around. It's really humid.
Oh, look at that.
Nib.
Yeah, but stick not nib though. Oh, the bug eat them already.
It's the thing, if nothing ate them, you could leave them till they're quite big, but nearly everything likes them.
Some proper jai, some just not jai, but just big stick. Is that them?
It's a stick that's the tastiest bit anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
So when they open out, they're sort of as big as your hand, but if you wait till that long round here, that's it, you lose them. So if you see any size, take it out.
Quickly. Or people steal them as well.
Yeah. Toon's nephew, he sometimes, when he's out hunting at night, he'll look for these as well. They're good even when they're cooked. They're still there's a bit of bite to them, isn't there? They're a little bit crunchy. Is that one on the side there?
Yeah.
Eyes like a hawk. You got one, gang? You got one? See, even the dogs have to find their own food. Mo's just having a stick for breakfast. Go on, girl. Get it then. What is it? Rats, rats, rats. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it. What is it, Mo? They've already got a taste for rats, these three. Oh, that's a better one. Oi! Is it? So just a little bit bigger, infested already. How good is it? Oh, I'm getting bitten by the dogs. Oi! Go on, Mo, get it then. What is it? What we need is some truffle dogs. That's what we need. Right, that'll do for now then. What's their name in Thai tune?
Head cone.
Huh?
Head cone. Head cone.
Head crone.
That's it. Head cone.
พอแล้วไหม Afternoon guys, welcome back to our foraging for food in Thailand little series, and today Dok Care, Dok Care, which is a flower. Look at those little beauties, or big beauties.
Big beauty and fucking tasty.
So at the moment it's knee height, and look at them all.
Just picked them yesterday, no? How snaky.
That's how I like them. Oh look, Lee's doing some graft. I'm quite lazy now, ain't I?
No. Pick it.
Yeah.
It's alright, you don't get caught by police.
There you go. Look at them. Tastiest velociraptor claws you'll ever have. I like them fried. And then, like a lot of the salad that we get, vegetables, a dipping sauce is really, really good. Still lots of new ones coming as well.
Yeah.
So we put 3 of these in. Where did we get? We bought 2, didn't we?
We bought this too.
That's a white one as well.
That pink. No,
Pink
white.
one. And then another white one which is struggling over here. So currently only 1 out of 3 is flowering, but she's doing well anyway. So, and how many months of the year do you get these?
Oh yeah, if you take care, keep picking them.
So keep picking them, keep them watered, fertilised, and you'll get them all year round.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's
Still keep growing.
That's number 6. If you missed the first 5, you want to look at part 1 of our wild food foraging in Thailand series.
Yeah.
Dok Care.
Dog care.
Dok Care.
Not duck.
Duck hair.
Dog care.
There you go. So if you like duck hair, get your dip ready.